OMP Operations Management for Process Industries Online Training. Learn from Experts Trainer with Proexcellency. Introduction to OMP Supply Chain Planning. OMP Operations Management for Process Industries is a comprehensive supply chain planning software solution designed for process industries such as chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and consumer packaged goods. It provides advanced planning capabilities to optimize and streamline the supply chain operations. Supply chain planning is a crucial aspect of managing a successful business. It involves making strategic decisions to ensure the right products are available at the right time and in the right quantities. Effective supply chain planning helps reduce costs, improve customer service, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Key benefits of implementing OMP in supply chain management. Implementing OMP in supply chain management offers several key benefits. Firstly, it enables improved demand forecasting accuracy, allowing businesses to plan their inventory and production more effectively. This leads to optimized inventory levels, reduced stockouts, and increased customer satisfaction. OMP also supports inventory planning and optimization by considering various factors such as lead times, demand variability, and service level targets. It helps businesses determine optimal reorder points, safety stock levels, and replenishment strategies, minimizing inventory carrying costs while ensuring product availability. In terms of production planning and scheduling, OMP helps allocate resources efficiently, optimize production sequences, and balance workloads across different manufacturing units. This results in improved production efficiency, reduced lead times, and enhanced resource utilization. Collaborating with suppliers is another important aspect of supply chain management. OMP facilitates supplier collaboration by providing visibility into supplier capacities, lead times, and performance metrics. It enables businesses to align their supply plans with supplier capabilities, improving coordination and reducing supply chain risks. Furthermore, OMP's performance monitoring and analytics capabilities allow businesses to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and gain insights into their supply chain performance. This helps identify areas for improvement, optimize planning processes, and drive continuous enhancements in supply chain operations. Understanding supply chain planning. Supply chain planning involves the process of forecasting demand, determining optimal inventory levels, planning production, and coordinating activities across the supply chain to meet customer demands efficiently. It comprises various components that work together to ensure a smooth flow of goods from suppliers to customers. The components of supply chain planning include demand planning. This involves forecasting customer demand based on historical data, market trends, and other relevant factors. Inventory planning and optimization. It focuses on determining optimal inventory levels, setting reorder points, safety stock levels, and managing inventory replenishment strategies. Production planning and scheduling. It involves creating production plans, allocating resources, scheduling manufacturing activities, and optimizing production sequences to meet demand efficiently. Supplier collaboration and management. This component involves working closely with suppliers, sharing demand forecasts, coordinating replenishment activities, and managing supplier performance. Performance monitoring and analytics. It includes tracking and monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the effectiveness of supply chain planning processes and identify areas for improvement. OMP Supply Chain Planning Basics. The OMP Supply Chain Planning module provides a comprehensive set of features and functionalities to support the different components of supply chain planning. It integrates data from various sources, enables collaborative planning, and facilitates informed decision-making. Key features and functionalities of OMP for supply chain planning include demand planning. OMP incorporates advanced forecasting algorithms and statistical models to generate accurate demand forecasts. It allows users to create multiple forecast scenarios, perform demand simulations, and adjust forecasts based on market insights. Inventory planning and optimization. OMP helps optimize inventory levels by considering factors such as demand variability, lead times, and service level targets. It provides tools for setting inventory parameters, calculating safety stock levels, and defining replenishment strategies. Production planning and scheduling. OMP enables users to create production plans based on demand forecasts and available resources. It supports capacity planning and finite and infinite scheduling, and provides visibility into production progress and bottlenecks. Supplier collaboration and management. OMP facilitates collaboration with suppliers by sharing demand forecasts, monitoring supplier performance, and integrating supplier capacities into the planning process. It allows businesses to track supplier commitments, manage purchase orders, and handle supplier-related exceptions. Performance monitoring and analytics. OMP offers comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, related to demand, inventory, production, and supplier performance. It provides real-time insights, dashboards, and alerts to enable proactive decision-making. OMP Supply Chain Planning Workflow. The OMP supply chain planning workflow typically follows a step-by-step process. Data inputs and requirements. The first step involves gathering and preparing the necessary data inputs, such as historical demand data, inventory levels, supplier capacities, and production constraints. This data serves as the foundation for accurate planning and forecasting. Demand planning. In this step, demand forecasts are generated using advanced algorithms and statistical models available in OMP. Users can adjust and validate the forecasts based on market knowledge and collaborate with relevant stakeholders to refine the forecasts. Inventory planning and optimization. OMP takes the demand forecasts, lead times, and other relevant parameters into account to determine optimal inventory levels. It calculates safety stock levels, reorder points, and replenishment strategies to ensure the right level of inventory is maintained. Production planning and scheduling. OMP helps create production plans based on the demand forecasts and available resources. It considers production capacities, work centers, and constraints to optimize production sequences and allocate resources effectively. Supplier collaboration and management. OMP facilitates collaboration with suppliers by sharing demand forecasts, tracking supplier commitments, and managing purchase orders. It helps ensure timely replenishment, maintain supplier performance, and mitigate supply chain risks. Performance monitoring and analytics. OMP provides real-time visibility into key performance indicators, KPIs, related to demand, inventory, production, and supplier performance. It offers reporting and analytics capabilities to track performance, identify areas for improvement, and drive continuous enhancements in supply chain planning processes. Demand planning in OMP. Demand planning in OMP involves forecasting customer demand to support inventory and production planning processes. OMP offers various techniques and methods for demand forecasting, including statistical forecasting. OMP uses statistical algorithms and models to analyze historical demand patterns and generate accurate forecasts. It considers factors such as seasonality, trends, and demand variability to predict future demand. Collaborative forecasting. OMP enables collaboration with relevant stakeholders, such as sales teams, customers, and suppliers to gather insights and incorporate their inputs into the demand planning process. This helps improve forecast accuracy and alignment with market dynamics. Promotional and event forecasting. OMP allows businesses to incorporate promotional activities, special events, and market campaigns into the demand planning process. It considers the impact of these events on customer demand and adjusts the forecasts accordingly. Demand sensing. OMP leverages real-time demand data, such as point-of-sale, POS data, to sense and respond to changes in customer demand quickly. It helps businesses detect demand patterns, identify anomalies, and adjust forecasts accordingly. Accurate demand forecasting in OMP enables businesses to plan their inventory levels, production schedules, and supplier collaborations more effectively, resulting in improved customer service and reduced costs. Inventory planning and optimization. OMP supports strategies for inventory planning and optimization to ensure optimal inventory levels while minimizing carrying costs. Key strategies and functionalities include inventory parameters. OMP allows businesses to define inventory parameters such as safety stock levels, reorder points, and order quantities. These parameters are based on factors such as demand variability, lead times, service level targets, and cost constraints. Safety stock optimization. OMP employs sophisticated algorithms to calculate the optimal level of safety stock required to meet desired service level targets. It considers demand variability, lead times, and desired customer service levels to minimize stockouts while keeping inventory costs under control. Replenishment strategies. OMP supports various replenishment strategies such as economic order quantity, EOQ, min-max ordering, and periodic ordering. It helps determine the most appropriate strategy based on demand patterns, lead times, and other factors. Demand-driven inventory planning. OMP enables demand-driven inventory planning by continuously monitoring customer demand, adjusting inventory parameters in real time, and dynamically aligning inventory levels with changing demand patterns. By optimizing inventory planning in OMP, businesses can reduce carrying costs, minimize stockouts, and improve overall supply chain performance. Production planning and scheduling in OMP. OMP provides robust production planning and scheduling capabilities to optimize manufacturing operations and meet customer demand efficiently. Key features and functionalities include resource allocation. OMP helps allocate resources such as machines, labor, and materials based on production requirements and capacity constraints. It considers factors like resource availability, skill requirements, and production sequences to optimize resource utilization. Capacity planning. OMP supports capacity planning by considering production capacities, work center capabilities, and constraints. It helps balance workloads, identify capacity bottlenecks, and optimize production schedules to maximize overall throughput. Finite and infinite scheduling. OMP allows businesses to perform both finite and infinite scheduling. Finite scheduling considers resource availability and constraints to create detailed schedules, while infinite scheduling focuses on high-level production plans without considering resource limitations. Production sequencing. OMP optimizes production sequencing to minimize setup times, reduce changeover costs, and improve overall efficiency. It considers factors like product compatibility, sequencing rules, and constraints to determine the most efficient production sequences. By leveraging production planning and scheduling capabilities in OMP, businesses can optimize resource utilization, reduce lead times, and improve on-time delivery performance. Supplier collaboration and management. OMP facilitates collaboration with suppliers to ensure timely replenishment, manage supplier performance, and mitigate supply chain risks. Key aspects of supplier collaboration and management in OMP include supplier visibility. OMP provides visibility into supplier capacities, lead times, and performance metrics. It helps businesses understand supplier capabilities and constraints, enabling effective collaboration and alignment of supply plans. Supplier collaboration. OMP enables businesses to share demand forecasts, production plans, and inventory requirements with suppliers. It facilitates collaborative decision-making and coordination, ensuring that suppliers can meet customer demands efficiently. Purchase order management. OMP helps manage the purchase order process, from creating purchase orders to tracking order confirmations and delivery statuses. It provides visibility into purchase order commitments, allows for order modifications, and manages supplier-related exceptions. Supplier performance monitoring. OMP allows businesses to monitor supplier performance based on predefined metrics and KPIs. It helps track supplier delivery reliability, lead time adherence, quality levels, and other performance indicators to ensure that suppliers meet the required standards. By collaborating effectively with suppliers through OMP, businesses can enhance supply chain visibility, reduce lead times, and mitigate supply chain risks. Performance monitoring and analytics. OMP offers performance monitoring and analytics capabilities to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and gain insights into supply chain operations. Key aspects of performance monitoring and analytics in OMP include KPI tracking. OMP provides a set of predefined KPIs related to demand, inventory, production, and supplier performance. It allows businesses to track these KPIs in real time, compare them against targets, and identify areas for improvement. Reporting and dashboards. OMP offers customizable reports and dashboards to visualize KPIs and performance metrics. It enables users to drill down into data, view trends, and gain actionable insights for decision-making. Alerting and exception management. OMP generates alerts and notifications based on predefined thresholds or exceptions. It helps users proactively identify and address issues such as stockouts, production delays, or supplier disruptions. Root cause analysis. OMP enables root cause analysis by providing data analytics capabilities to identify underlying factors contributing to supply chain issues. It helps businesses understand the causes of performance gaps and take corrective actions. By leveraging performance monitoring and analytics in OMP, businesses can identify areas of improvement, optimize planning processes, and drive continuous enhancements in supply chain operations. Integration with other systems. OMP can be integrated with other systems, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, to streamline data exchange and synchronize information across applications. Key aspects of integration with other systems include ERP integration. OMP can integrate with ERP systems to exchange data related to master data, sales orders, purchase orders, inventory levels, and production schedules. This integration ensures data consistency and eliminates manual data entry, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Data exchange. OMP supports data exchange in various formats, such as XML, CSV, or API. It enables seamless data transfer between OMP and other systems, ensuring real-time visibility and accurate information across the supply chain. 3. Synchronization. OMP synchronizes data with other systems to ensure that the latest information is available across applications. It supports automatic data updates, reconciles discrepancies, and maintains data integrity throughout the supply chain. By integrating OMP with other systems, businesses can streamline information flow, improve data accuracy, and enhance overall supply chain visibility and efficiency. OMP Supply Chain Planning Best Practices. To achieve successful supply chain planning with OMP, consider the following best practices. Establish cross-functional collaboration. Involve stakeholders from different departments, such as sales, operations, and procurement, in the planning process. Foster collaboration and information sharing to align plans and improve decision-making. Continuously improve forecast accuracy. Regularly review and refine demand forecasts based on actual market data and customer insights. Incorporate external factors such as market trends, seasonality, and promotions to enhance forecast accuracy. Optimize inventory parameters. Regularly review and optimize inventory parameters such as safety stock levels, reorder points, and order quantities. Conduct periodic inventory audits and adjust parameters based on demand patterns and service level requirements. Monitor and improve supplier performance. Establish performance metrics for suppliers and regularly monitor their performance. Address performance issues through open communication, continuous improvement initiatives, and periodic supplier evaluations. Leverage scenario planning. Use scenario planning in OMP to evaluate different what-if scenarios and assess their impact on supply chain performance. This helps identify potential risks, evaluate alternative strategies, and make informed decisions. Foster data accuracy and integrity. Ensure data accuracy and integrity by regularly validating and cleansing data inputs. Implement data governance practices, establish data quality checks, and provide training to users to maintain accurate and reliable data in OMP. Invest in user training and adoption. Provide comprehensive training to users on OMP's functionalities, workflows, and best practices. Encourage user adoption by highlighting the benefits of OMP, addressing user concerns, and providing ongoing support. Common challenges and solutions in OMP implementation. Implementing OMP supply chain planning may come with challenges. Some common challenges and their solutions include data availability and quality. Ensure data availability and quality by establishing data governance practices, conducting regular data audits, and implementing data validation rules. Collaborate with IT and data teams to address data-related issues and improve data accuracy. Change management. Address resistance to change by communicating the benefits of OMP to stakeholders and involving them in the implementation process. Provide training and support to users and encourage a culture of continuous improvement. Integration complexity. Work closely with IT teams and system integrators to plan and execute the integration between OMP and other systems. Define clear integration requirements, perform thorough testing, and establish error monitoring and resolution processes. Scalability and performance. Assess the scalability requirements of your supply chain and plan for the growth of data volumes and transaction loads. Collaborate with the OMP vendor to optimize system performance and ensure it can handle increasing demands. Continuous improvement. Treat OMP implementation as an iterative process and continuously seek opportunities for improvement. Gather feedback from users, monitor performance metrics, and incorporate lessons learned to refine planning processes. OMP Supply Chain Planning Certification. OMP offers certification programs to validate and enhance supply chain planning skills using their software. These certification programs typically involve training, exams, and practical assessments. Benefits of obtaining OMP supply chain planning certification include enhanced knowledge and skills. Certification programs provide in-depth knowledge and practical skills in OMP supply chain planning. They ensure that professionals are well equipped to utilize OMP's features and functionalities effectively. Professional recognition. OMP certification demonstrates expertise in supply chain planning using their software. It can enhance professional credibility and distinguish certified individuals in the job market. Career advancement. OMP certification can open up career advancement opportunities as it showcases specialized knowledge and proficiency in supply chain planning. It may lead to increased job prospects and potential salary growth. Future trends in OMP supply chain planning. The future of OMP supply chain planning is expected to be shaped by emerging technologies and industry trends. Some future trends in OMP supply chain planning include artificial intelligence and machine learning. OMP is likely to incorporate advanced AI and machine learning capabilities to further improve demand forecasting accuracy, optimize inventory planning, and enhance decision-making. Internet of Things, IoT, integration. OMP may integrate with IoT devices and sensors to capture real-time data on inventory levels, production progress, and logistics movements. This integration can enable proactive decision-making and better supply chain visibility. Advanced analytics and predictive insights. OMP is expected to offer more advanced analytics capabilities, including predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, and scenario simulations. These features can enable proactive decision-making and risk mitigation. Supply chain digital twins. OMP may explore the concept of supply chain digital twins, which are virtual models of the end-to-end supply chain. Digital twins can simulate and optimize supply chain operations, predict performance outcomes, and facilitate scenario planning. Sustainability and ethical considerations. OMP is likely to incorporate sustainability and ethical considerations into its planning algorithms. This can include optimizing supply chain routes for reduced carbon footprint, considering ethical sourcing practices, and integrating circular economy principles. Conclusions. OMP supply chain planning provides businesses with robust capabilities to optimize their supply chain operations, improve customer service, and reduce costs. By leveraging OMP's functionalities in demand planning, inventory optimization, production planning, and supplier collaboration, businesses can achieve greater supply chain visibility, agility, and efficiency. It is important to follow best practices, address implementation challenges, and continuously monitor and improve supply chain performance to derive maximum benefits from OMP. With the integration of emerging technologies and industry trends, OMP is poised to play an increasingly significant role in shaping the future of supply chain management. Why should you choose Proexcellency for OMP supply chain planning online training? Choosing Proexcellency for OMP supply chain planning online training offers several advantages. Here are some reasons why you should consider Proexcellency. Expert trainers. Proexcellency has a team of experienced and certified trainers who possess in-depth knowledge of OMP supply chain planning. They have practical industry experience and can provide valuable insights and real-world examples during the training sessions. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program offered by Proexcellency covers all the essential concepts, features, and functionalities of OMP supply chain planning. The curriculum is designed to provide a holistic understanding of the subject, ensuring that participants gain the necessary skills and knowledge. Hands-on practical experience. Proexcellency emphasizes hands-on learning during the training sessions. Participants get the opportunity to work on practical exercises, case studies, and simulations that replicate real-world scenarios. This practical experience enhances their understanding and helps them apply the learned concepts effectively. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers online training, providing flexibility in terms of timing and location. Participants can access the training modules from anywhere, at their convenience. This allows for self-paced learning and accommodates the schedules of working professionals. Interactive learning environment. The online training sessions conducted by Proexcellency are interactive and engaging. Participants can interact with the trainers, ask questions, and participate in discussions. This fosters a collaborative learning environment and enhances the overall learning experience. Industry-relevant content. Proexcellency ensures that the training content is up to date and aligned with the latest industry practices and trends. This equips participants with the knowledge and skills that are relevant to the current supply chain planning landscape. Practical tips and best practices. Proexcellency trainers share practical tips, best practices, and real-life examples during the training sessions. These insights help participants understand how to overcome challenges, optimize processes, and achieve success in OMP supply chain planning. Certification preparation. Proexcellency's training program prepares participants for OMP certification exams. The trainers provide guidance on exam preparation, share study materials, and conduct mock tests to assess participants' readiness for the certification. Post-training support. Proexcellency offers post-training support to participants, allowing them to clarify doubts or seek guidance even after the training is completed. This support ensures that participants can continue their learning journey and apply the acquired knowledge effectively. Reputation and trust. Proexcellency has established a reputation as a trusted provider of quality training programs in the field of supply chain management. They have received positive reviews and testimonials from past participants, further validating their expertise and credibility. In conclusion, choosing Proexcellency for OMP supply chain planning online training can provide you with comprehensive, practical, and industry-relevant knowledge and skills. Their expert trainers, flexible learning options, and post-training support contribute to a valuable and enriching learning experience. Contact now. To get more information, +9 18722079509 +9 190089060809 info@proexcellency.com. Affin@proexcellency.com